Why is cloud file organization important?
Effective cloud file organization saves time and reduces stress. With well-structured folders and clear naming conventions, you can quickly find and share important documents. This makes collaboration smoother and helps prevent misplacing files. Good organization also improves data security, as it's easier to spot and manage sensitive information. Ultimately, organizing your cloud files helps boost productivity and focus.
What is the best way to structure folders?
Start with broad categories that reflect your main activities. For work, split folders by projects, clients, or departments. For personal files, try categories like photos, finances, or hobbies. Inside each main folder, use more specific subfolders. Keeping structures simple but consistent helps everyone understand the system and avoids clutter, making it quick to navigate.
How should I name my files?
Use clear, consistent, and descriptive names for your files. Include dates in the format YYYY, MMDD for easier sorting, and avoid vague terms like Document 1. For example, 2024-0510 project proposal is specific and easy to search. Stay away from special characters to prevent errors. Well-named files mean less time spent searching and reduce the risk of confusion later on.
What tools or features can help with organization?
Take advantage of built-in cloud features. Many services let you use folders, tags, and color coding for easier sorting. Search bars and filters help you locate files quickly. Some platforms offer version history or favorites, so you can keep track of changes and access important documents right away. Use shared folders for group work and set permissions to control access.
How can I keep my cloud files organized over time?
Set aside time regularly to review and tidy up your files. Archive or delete outdated documents to prevent clutter. Check that folders and file names are consistent. For shared spaces, communicate guidelines with anyone who uses them. Regular maintenance ensures your system stays efficient, so you continue to save time and work productively.